Give me any random PCB and 2 minutes I can tell you where the power comes in, where the brain lives, what probably broke. Here's my fast 5-step roadmap to decode almost any schematic or board. Step 1. Think like electrons. KCL KVL, Ohm's law voltage divider rule, time constants. RC, RL. Impedance of caps and inductors predict voltage and current here. Step 2. Symbol fluent and datasheet literate. R, C, L, D, Q, U symbols, pin 1 markers, ground types, net labels read. Datasheet, pinout, typical app circuit recommended passives, that PDF turns mystery blobs into named functions. Step 3, read as blocks, not parts. Inputs left, top outputs right bottom, follow flow. Power entry and regulation, clock reset core logic. I/O drivers protection bridge, plus bulk cap. Rectifier crystal, plus 2 caps. Clock op-amp with feedback. Fuakan filter amplifier H-bridge. Fuakan's motor driver step 4, map the PCB to the logic. Trace from connectors to fuses, TVS to regulators to big decoupling caps. Circle IC micro ecosystems. Crystal near MCU pins, RC to reset small ceramics at VCC, GND. Use continuity to follow hidden nets. Group by proximity into subcircuits, sketch blocks and connect with nets or buses. Step 5. Prove it with instruments. DC checks, plus 112, plus 5, polar 3.3, bias points sane, scope clocks and data lines.